So how about that 5,000 box that we saw last week, guys? Crazy, crazy box. I told you guys it was going to be the biggest box we ever opened on the channel, and I'm pretty sure it delivered. Anyway, let's keep that hot streak going. This box is actually $2,100, and it is from Soul Supremacy. You guys already know who Soul Supremacy is, Beater Box Kings, man. And before we get into the video, I do want to mention that we have a giveaway for you guys. It is December, so that means it's time for the Untitled Hawaii Dream Shoe giveaway, guys, where I will be giving away a shoe of up to $1,500 in value. There's a lot of different shoes you guys can get with that kind of value, man. So really just out here trying to make dreams come true, sneaker dreams. And in the month of December, I mean, it really makes sense, guys. Season of giving, it's time, it's here. It's time to just give back, man. So that's what I'm doing in this giveaway, and it's really easy to enter. All you guys got to do is subscribe to the channel down below. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Untitled Hawaii. And then finally, all you have to do is like this video and comment down below what your dream shoe would be up to $1,500 value, and include your size in there as well so I know what kind of shoe to get you guys. Anyway, this giveaway will be running for a couple weeks, and then after that I will be picking the winner and it will be announced in the community tab. So be sure to enter, guys. Anyway, who's ready for the mystery box? That's coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another Sneaker Mystery Box Friday episode, guys. This is week 27, and we have a $2,100 Soul Supremacy beater box for you guys today. Huge box, high tier, following up after that 5,000, so it's probably not gonna have as crazy heat as that, but $2,000 is still no joke, guys. That is still a lot of money considering they're all mystery sneakers. What is this, man? It looks like we got a pair of slides from Soul Supremacy. This is random. I've never seen this before, but it looks like slides, like just slippers or sandals, whatever you guys want to call it. And you guys can see over here, it does say Soul SO on this one, LE on this, and you guys have that Soul Supremacy branding on the back over here on the heel. I'm guessing this is a freebie. I heard they were sending these out, but I mean, I didn't think that they would come in this box, so that's kind of cool. And then we also got 4 more pairs of these guys. I don't know, I'm guessing these are all freebies. Thanks to Soul Supremacy, that's pretty dope, man. No wonder the box is so heavy. The first shoe that we actually have out over here is a size 13 Blazer mid, and it is a unique box, guys. Green Nike box. Also, I saw this over here, Hawkins High School. All right, so this is a pair of the Stranger Things collab. These are the Blazer mids. Stranger Things obviously being that hit sensation TV show from Netflix, guys. They actually had a collab with Nike, and this is one of the shoes that was in there. So you guys can check this out over here. This is based off of the high school in that show, which is Hawkins High School. Those are where the kids go. And this is like the color palette for their like mascot and their theme of their school. So kind of cool. Leather actually feels pretty premium on this. Looks like a nice design. I'm actually down with the green and orange. Not sure why, but it just is a nice color palette. This one is in dead stock condition. I'm not certain how much this is worth, but I'm sure it's a couple $100, so that's not bad right there. Good way to start off the box. I guess it's not really starting off the box though, because we got all those slides. Next shoe out is a Jordan 1 box. This one is in a size 10, and we have a pair of, oh man. This isn't Jordan 1s. Ay, this is disappointing, guys. So this is a pair of Bugs Bunnies or alternates or something like that, and it's pretty dirty, and it's not a Jordan 1. Definitely a used sneaker. I'm not sure why this one would be put in a replacement box because it's pretty beat, and these shoes don't go for a lot of money, so it's kind of confusing why they would put that in a replacement box, but I mean, that's what it is. There is replacement laces in here too. Anyway, there's that. Next one out is this Nike box over here. This one is a size 15 Air Max 1 Premium, and we got some patriotic Air Max over here, guys. Has that red, white, and blue across the shoe. This one looks like it is dead stock, I believe. I don't see anything on the bottoms. It might be tried on. There's no creasing on the uppers or anything like that, and honestly, this is actually a pretty well-made shoe. Also, if you guys check out untitledhawaii.com, all of the shoes will be listed for sale on the website, so don't forget to go over there as well. Okay, so we got some Nike pink boxes over here. This one is a size 10 Dunk Low. Yo, nice. So we got a pair of the Ray Guns actually over here. This is actually an iconic SB, guys. I'm not sure if you guys are into Nike SBs, but this is a banger. So check this thing out. On the back over here, you guys can see This is supposed to be like a little alien that Nike actually made for the ray gun series. Kind of cool. I like this design a lot. Very unique color palette and iconic Nike SB. So this one is a little bit worn. By a little bit, I mean a lot. Look at that star loss over here. Not super good condition, but again, it's a Nike SB, so most of these shoes are actually from like the early 2000s. So yeah, can't expect too much right there, but should still see some good value. Following that up, we have another Nike pink box. This one is a Dunk Low again, and it also is in a size 10. Okay, that's cool. So we have the other version of the ray guns, which is in the black colorway. I'm not sure if this is called the alternate or something, but yeah, exact same shoe, but there's a black upper instead. So instead of the white over on the top, it is changed with black leather instead. The white look is actually better looking in my opinion. This one is more like a Halloween kind of vibe. Also pretty worn down, a lot of star loss over there. So not great condition, but still, again, a good sneaker. Jordan 5 box size 10. This one we have a pair of the Camo Jordan 5s. I believe this one is in dead stock condition. It does look like those soles are pretty icy. No, maybe not. This might be a used pair. So I think it was tried on or used, but you guys can see over here, nothing too crazy on the top. It does look like there's some suede kind of like coming off over here, so that kind of sucks. And yeah, I am gonna list this one as used actually instead, because there is some toe box creasing very slightly right there. Unfortunate, because these don't go for a lot of money, maybe like 100 something bucks. Nothing too crazy right there. So yeah, that one will be going for the low on untitledhawaii.com. Sorry, there's 3 shoes left in this box, guys, so there's 2 left now. This one is a size 10 Yeezy Boost 750. Haven't seen a 750 in a really long time. And this one is a pair of the gray gums, dude. Yeezy 750, an iconic Yeezy release, and honestly a pretty nice design, man. For winter season, this is a really nice kind of shoe. Bottoms over here, you can see that the boost is still pretty good. Nothing too crazy going on. Does look like everything is intact, so very nice sneaker right here. Unfortunately, the value on these continues to drop. I'm not sure why. I guess people are just kind of losing interest in the 750 series because Kanye has not released any more. So kind of unfortunate, but should still see some good value. It does have the box, everything's still intact, so that's pretty good. Okay, and so this is the shoe that I didn't see at the very bottom. This one over here is an Air Force One box, and it and this one is in a size 11. I'm not gonna give away the spoiler, but if you guys recognize the box, maybe you can tell, because this is a pair of your boy Travis Scott's Air Force One lows. Not the new one that just came out, like that crazy patchwork one, obviously. This is actually the sale colorway, so you guys can check this out over here. Travis Scott sale colorway. This is the second one, I believe, from his Air Force line. The upper is made out of canvas, so it kind of gets dirty pretty easy, but I mean, if you use Rejuvenator or something, that can clean up pretty well. These Velcro swooshes over here are actually interchangeable, so you can take those off. Looks like it's in pretty solid condition, so that's good. It does have all of the accessories and stuff in here too, so that should be a pretty decent boost of value. Probably a couple $100 over here too. Maybe 400, 500, maybe even 600, dude. These things would keep rising like all the time. But that is actually it for this beater box, guys. Kind of mixed feelings on this. It really depends on like how I rate those ray guns, because those are probably where most of the value of the box is. The 750 is a 750. It'll bring in decent value. The Travis Scotts obviously will bring in good value as well, but I think, barring that they didn't actually forget like to put in a Jordan 1 for that Jordan 1 box, I think that the ray guns will probably come down to like if this is a good box or not. So that is actually it, guys. Again, if you want to cop any of these sneakers, check out untitledhawaii.com. Additionally, don't forget to enter the Untied Dream Shoe giveaway, guys. It is going to be happening for the next couple weeks and super easy to enter. All you guys got to do is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. The handle is at untitledhawaii. Makes it pretty easy. And also don't forget, most importantly, to like the video and comment down below your sneaker size and what your dream shoe would be. This is the biggest giveaway I've ever done, man. It's going to be up to $1,500, so make good use of it, guys. Check out what kind of prices you're going to look at and what kind of shoes you want to cop. This is going to be a busy month, obviously, for me, but I do want to try to give back as much as I can. Another way that you guys should check out how we're giving back is through the Untied channel memberships, guys. Like, the channel memberships are really important to me because not only are you guys able to join a community, the Untitled Ohana, but there are so much discounts and stuff going on in the community tab all the time, and that's why I really want you guys to check it out. There is a join button underneath the video, and if you guys aren't able to win the Dream Shoe giveaway this month for the secret drop for channel members only, there's gonna be some banger shoes for very discounted prices, guys. Like, I'm putting up a couple of these on the screen over here so you guys can see the preview. They're not actually sold out. It shows sold out, but they're just previews. Once that name changes from preview to like the actual sale, that's when you guys know what's going on. So again, enter if you guys want through the join button. But for the homies that just really want to support and be part of that Untitled Hana and to help this channel grow and succeed, thank you guys so much for joining, guys. Like, this is really like a life-changing thing for me, and 2019 was such a crazy year, and that's why I just want to like end it with a big, huge giveaway for all of you guys and just making sure the Untitled Hana is taken care of. So all love over here, guys, all positive vibes. It's December, man, season of giving. Let's do what we can. So thank you guys again for watching, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you guys on the next video. Aloha, shoots.